Picked up some cushion fillers, 2 of them for the sofa. Picked up this lightning neon light for the boys' room. £2. It was originally 4, but I was like, oh, I just thought it would be more expensive. I haven't opened this. I don't know if it's like small, because like I'm just shocked that it was £4. And then there's a lips one that you can get, but yeah, they were £2. And I asked the boys, would you like this in your room? And they said yes. And yeah, this one will be like in a different video. We've got so many faux plants in Primark. You will literally want to spend so much money on fake plants in there. They are beautiful fake plants in there. So I got this one. This is £2.50. Oh, it's £3. Got this to decorate the cabinet where we put the TV on. And I got some fake tulips. Yeah, these were £4. And like, yeah, this is for the vase on top of the dining table. So let's decorate. And before anyone says anything, or like, oh, that's a really small haul, can we all start being realistic with ourselves? Stop, just because you watch other YouTubers that like go into Primark and like have these huge hauls on a regular basis. Don't believe somebody's like, oh, this is what I got from Primark. No, regular people go into Primark and they literally sometimes come out with one thing, and they'll be given like those small little Primark bags. Seriously, stop thinking people go into Primark and actually come out with big hauls of stuff. Because when I go in there and I look at people when they're actually buying things, some of them buy like 3-4 things, not huge hauls. So don't think it's real when other YouTubers bring you like big, this is what I got from homeware haul. That's not real. Don't fall for it. Don't feel like shaming yourself because you haven't brought a lot of things. Yeah, I want to decorate my living room and be realistic. I don't need so many things in there. I looked at all like the fake plants in there and I was like, oh my goodness, everything in here is really lovely. But first of all, I don't really have the money to like buy all of these fake plants. And secondly, even if I had the money, where am I supposed to put all of these fake plants? I heard like a few years ago, another fellow YouTuber, she told me, and she actually lives near me actually, I'm not gonna mention who it is. I heard that she actually said, you know those hauls they do? I found out apparently they do those hauls and then they go back to the shop and return the stuff. Yeah, don't fall for it. On that note, let's start decorating the living room. At first we're going to do the cushions. So a little story about the cushions. Basically my sofa, which I've only had like since October, they came with like these long cushions, and so like I wanted to add like colourful cushions, and like what I ended up doing is I bought these pink cushions from Primark. They were like £2, reduced to £2. And I put these long cushions inside this cushion. And the thing is, it's not working, obviously, because it's like a long cushion. So that's what I bought these cushions for. I'm going to vacuum the sofa because it needs a vacuum. I have kids. And then put proper cushion into these cushion covers. Ta-da! You see what I mean? I put this inside. So originally the tulips were going to go in here. It looks like nice in there, but with my vase, it doesn't seem to be working in this vase. So I found a new place for them and I found a new vase for them. Picked up this really simple vase from Asda, £2, right? I just saw it, I was like, it's £2. I think I need a new vase. It was one of those purchases. And you know what? It was perfect. There's something about this really simple vase that just goes perfect. And where I'm going to place it is even more perfect. So before I show you where I'm going to put it, I'm going to put it on my bookshelf. but my bookshelf was looking really bad, so I had to DIY my bookshelf. I'll show you how my bookshelf looked before, and then I'm going to show you how it looked afterwards. So we need to tackle this bookshelf. It is broken. I'm currently holding the baby right now, so all I can do is use my feet. You see how my legs going in there? That's how broken it is. I don't want to throw it away just because the door's broken. I'm going to DIY it. Yeah, let's do this. And this is how the bookshelf looks now. So much better. I just literally just removed the doors and painted it with like extra paint. White, seriously, those extra paint pots, don't throw them out, they come so useful. But the paint that I used was matte paint. It's I will have to paint this like a satin finish so that in the future when I want to like wipe it down, it's you know, it's fine for me to wipe it down. So yeah, it will be need to be repainted in the future, but I absolutely love it. The vase up here is not working. Next, I'm styling up this faux to £3. This faux £3.50 dangling plant thing. I found a perfect place for it on my cabinet.